On the way to El Nido, we all wore face masks. Better to be safe than sorry. The accommodation in El Nido was nice. We did have to share a room, but I got my own bed, so that was good. El Nido was quite a popular tourist destination, with lots of shops and many different places to eat. We chose to eat at a Greek restaurant and it was really nice. It had ocean views and the food was really good. We decided to do an island hopping tour around El Nido. Instead of a traditional Filipino boat, we decided to take a speedboat instead. One of the destinations involved walking through a cave to get to a beach called Secret Beach, which wasn't really so secret after all because there were so many other tourists there. So we got back in the boat and headed towards our first snorkeling destination. Our next destination involved swimming through a cave to get to another beach. This was also overrun by tourists, so I didn't have much footage from this beach. I didn't really like the way people were walking all over the rocks. As a marine biologist, that kind of annoyed me, but that's usually what happens in popular tourist destinations. We stopped over at an island for lunch and I had a go at stand-up paddleboarding, which was really fun. The food that they gave us for lunch was really good, but apparently we weren't the only ones who thought so. The monkeys were trying to get their hands on it, and they became aggressive. We got back in the boat and headed towards another destination, which was a cave. This is where it was really good to be in a speedboat because the traditional Filipino boats couldn't fit inside the cave and they could only see the cave from the outside. So we were really lucky to be able to go all the way into the cave. We then stopped over at another island and tried fresh coconut water for the first time. I was having a really nice time drinking my coconut water on the swing, until another tourist walked up to me and tried to get me to move out of my spot just because she wanted to take a picture there. So I pointed to the other swing and told her to go over there. Our next activity in El Nido was to do the zipline. Overall, this was pretty fun, and they had a drone so we could get some drone footage of the zipline. views from the zipline were amazing and I was having a genuinely nice time until I realised how fast I was coming in. I realised that my landing was going to hurt. I ended up bumping my head on their brake system even though I was leaning back, but because I was going backwards, I didn't really have much say in the matter. We overall had a nice time in El Nido, although it definitely wasn't our favourite destination. You'll see our favourite destination in next week's video.